What HVAC repairs are most common after 10 years? The most common repairs are worn blower motors, failing capacitors, refrigerant leaks, clogged or damaged coils, faulty electrical parts, and cracked heat exchangers. After about 10 years, an HVAC system has usually completed thousands of heating and cooling cycles, so parts that move, spin, or carry electricity begin to wear out. A blower motor may become noisy, slow down, or stop pushing enough air through the house. A capacitor, which helps the outdoor motor start and keep running, can weaken and cause clicking, humming, or repeated shutdowns. Refrigerant leaks may develop in copper tubing or indoor coils, causing weak cooling, ice on the equipment, or longer run times. Dirty evaporator coils and blocked drains can reduce airflow and create water leaks, while rusted or damaged coils may need replacement. Electrical contactors, relays, and circuit boards can also fail because of heat, moisture, and repeated use. In a furnace, a cracked heat exchanger is especially serious because it can allow dangerous combustion gases into the air, so a professional inspection is important. One useful detail is that a failing capacitor can make a system seem completely dead, even when the thermostat and circuit breaker appear normal, so testing the part is better than guessing. Keep outdoor equipment clear, replace filters regularly, and schedule a yearly inspection to catch small problems before they damage the compressor or heat exchanger. A common mistake is adding refrigerant without finding the leak, because the system may cool briefly but lose the charge again. Ask the technician to locate and repair the leak first. Another mistake is ignoring unusual sounds, short cycling, or a burning smell. Since these warnings can point to motor, electrical, or safety problems, turn the system off and request service when those signs appear. People also assume that a 10-year-old system must be replaced, but repair cost, efficiency, refrigerant type, safety, and the system's condition should all be compared before deciding. Ask for both repair and replacement estimates. If you need help with a project, search for trusted, affordable local contractors at www.bighomeprojects.com. Another option is to download our app, Job It Tier, where homeowners and property owners can list jobs and have home service experts and contractors reach out, message you back, and offer their estimates.